Namaste, welcome back to the Pragna channel. You are watching AWS Card Clash, which is an architecture design game. So far, we have done 3 levels, and today we are going to do our 4th level. I hope you are enjoying this series so far. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do you think whether it is helpful, not helpful? And this is free. Again, go do it. Um, by yourself as well. Don't just watch this series, go do it. In case if you are stuck somewhere, come back and watch the videos here. Today we are going to do managed backup solution. AWS Backup is a one-stop service that provides a centralized and automated backup of data across AWS services according to user-defined policies. And the services we are going to use as part of this architecture are Backup, Backup Vault, Elastic Block Store, EC2, Elastic File System, S3. And we do have some security cards, KMS, IAM security groups. So let's start this. Okay, here we are. The opponent's turn. I don't know why it's always the opponent who is playing first. Okay, our turn. Let's look at the architecture. Every time I actually start with left, so let's look at the left. So here you have the web server instance, then shared file storage, and then block storage. So file storage, I'm assuming EFS, block storage, EBS or S3. And then you have SQL Server instance, you have block storage, S3, as you can see, he already placed it. And then data lake, raw data, most likely S3 again. And then we have backup solution. So this AWS Backup and stores and okay, this is AWS Backup. What is this? Centrally manage and automate data. Yeah, same thing. So let's exit from here and let's look at our cards. And we do have some nice energy card, cloud formation. Let's use it. He put S3. We can steal his S3 if you want. But anyways, we have EFS, which is 3. So let's go ahead and place that. And you already know, you are seeing my gameplay. I usually protect it. And let's see, this is protected by IAM. We don't have IAM. We don't have that to steal. And EC2, maybe we can use EC2 right here. And we can protect that using security group EC2, right? So that's protected. This is not protected. Let's hope he doesn't steal it. Let's end our turn. Okay, 5 energy. He always has more energy than us for some reason. Okay, even SQL server instance. Okay, never mind. We didn't get any energy cards. Let's use this. I have an IAM, so I will protect it before anything happens. And elastic block storage. I mean, we can use it here. He already used it. I can steal it, but it requires at least 3 energy, which I don't have. EC2, we don't. Oh, I can steal his EC2, but it's okay. I don't want to. So whenever you click on this one and question mark, it gives you an explanation about that service in case if you want to learn more about it. I don't want to steal right now, so go away. I can place it here. Let's see if he's going to steal it. And then I can use my security group. No, it's okay. Go away. Let's end the turn. Let's see. Oh no, not now, Gorilla. Not now, not now. Okay, next round. I'm sure she's going to hit. So let's make sure we protect our block storage. Oh, not now, not now. Oh, we are gone. Yeah, see, 2 lost. He had 3 energy lost, but we had 2 still. Okay, lucky me, I got that. We have backup. We can place it there, but I don't have a protection. He might steal it. File system, I already placed it, so we don't need that. Block, yeah, we might need it there, but let's use the backup. And block storage, let's scrap it for now. We have plenty of cards. Let's end the turn. Let's hope he doesn't steal our backup. Oh, he has plenty of energy. He might do that. Okay, maybe not. Come on, give me nice energy cards. Come on. See, this is what happens with me all the time. Let's protect this one. Okay, every time if you are seeing, I always tend to protect. I don't need that for now. I don't need it. I'm not going to steal his, so go away. Let's keep that one. I could have played it, but he might steal it. He has energy. I don't have energy, so let's play safe. See, look at his energy. He protected his block storage. Okay, see, I'm not getting energy cards whatsoever. Now I can steal his EC2. Again, why steal? Because if you want to gain more points and make him lose more points, it's always better idea to steal his services. I know we are going to spend an extra energy, but that's fine. Otherwise, you might win the game, but you won't get 3 stars. This is the trick to getting 3 stars, I have noticed. Come on, attack. Yeah, he's not protecting this. He has so much energy. I don't know why he's not protecting. Now that's gone. Yep, second time he says 3 is gone. Okay, we are not getting any energy cards, I think. Block storage. File system, we don't need it. EC2, we don't need it. I could play block store here, but he has plenty of energy. He might steal it. I don't want to put. Oh, he's getting plenty of energy. Look at that. He could easily place all the cards. At least now, still not getting that +3 for some reason. I don't need backup. We already have it. What I can do is, if I place something, he will place that and he will finish the game. So if I play, let's say I place this or that for that matter. I don't need this one. I will get 13, then he will get 7, which is almost, yeah, I think 13, and then he will get what, 7, right? So out of 20, he is getting, I'm getting 13. So what is the percentage? 65 almost. Yeah, I think I might get 3 star. Okay, let's finish it. He might not get backup vault. I have never seen. So let's put that and let's protect it. Let's hope he doesn't get the backup vault. Okay, 12. Seriously? Yeah, I don't have backup vault. See, he had S3. He could have easily placed S3 and finished the game. Okay, good for me. He didn't, and done. We are done. I can protect it if I want, but it's useless. That's about it. Easy peasy, don't you think so? So if we go through the architecture one more time, we have EC2 instance and we are backing up it to a file storage as well as a block storage. We are writing data it's using, and then we have a SQL Server instance installed on EC2, and it's being using block storage as its storage, and then we are using backup to back up the data for both EC2 instance as well as the server, and we are storing the data in backup vault, and we are also using S3 for the data lake. So that's the architecture. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's look at our summary. 80%, so you already know it's going to be a 3 star, and the Miss Gorilla strike twice, so that's why you are seeing 2. I still don't know if it is how many gorilla destroyed or how many times gorilla attacked. I don't know. I'm assuming how many times it's attacked. So that's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, you know what to do. Click on the subscribe button, hit the like and comment is must. Don't forget about that. And see you in the next one. If you are attempting the exam, any AWS exam, all the best. I hope you are watching other playlists, exam analysis question playlists as well. All the best one more time. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Peace out.